In this video, I'm going to show you how to save an audience that you have created on Facebook so that when next you are running advert, you don't have to be creating the audience over and over again. You can simply go to your saved audience and you're going to see it. This is one thing that I do every single time, especially because I use zero targeting every time. I have created an audience that I call zero targeting. So whenever I'm running advert, I just select it. This is just one way to save your time and use it on something more important because you already have an audience that you have saved. So let's show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is to come to the targeting part. So I'm not going to show you every other thing. I just want to show you how to do that in the targeting part. All right. Now we're going to choose Nigeria. So we're going to choose Nigeria. So if you save this audience, it's going to be for Nigeria. Okay. If you want other state, other country, you can choose maybe Ghana, maybe Tokyo, any other country you want is here. So just type it and it will come up. So, but for now, we're going to use Nigeria. The next one, we're going to choose age. Maybe I don't want for this particular audience, maybe I might want to use from 22 to 60 years. I can now select it. So why I'm showing you this so that you see that it's actually possible for you to edit that date. Now for gender, I said I always like to use all gender, so I'm not going to touch it. Then for targeting, I just going to leave it at 0 because this is one of the most commonly used audience that I use in my business, which is zero targeting. Once I finish this thing, there's no other thing. I'm just going to click on save audience and then I'm going to give it audience name 0. All right, zero targeting. Zero targeting. So I'm just going to click. Of course, you can review it here. Location is Nigeria, minimum age is 18. Suggestion. This is the suggestion. So I can click on save. This audience has been saved. For instance, if I want to create a separate advert, maybe I want to start creating a new advert, I need to just come to my audience and I'm going to see something like use. Do I want to use saved audience? If I want to use saved audience, this is the zero targeting that I have saved. I just need to select it. Now it is way easier. So I'm just going to select the saved audience here. So I'm going to select it now and immediately the audience is going to update in my targeting. So I don't need to start going through or selecting different targeting option again. That audience is already there for me. Do you understand? That way it is easier for you. It saves you time. You do not need to crack your head every time. So if you know that there is a particular audience that you are always using, there's a particular state, there's a particular age, there's a particular gender, there's a particular targeting that you always use, you might just want to create it and save it so that it will be like a preset for you. Once you choose it, it immediately updates everything for you without going through it one after the other. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to learn more on Facebook adverts, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell because there are several videos on this channel that is going to show you how to run ad, optimize it, scale it, get better results without wasting your ad budget. I'm going to see you in the next video.